we didn't plan this now. We were in love before I traveled now. Stop this now. Is it because I traveled? I was in jail. Stop, madam.
My country people, there are some people that are born to be an actor. Like, this acting, they their blood. Anything where you give them to act, and so they go deliver their role. Zubby Micheal Aka Eze is actually one of them. Seriously, this guy can act for Africa. He's part of the film lords, like people where they deliver their role. There is nothing this guy cannot act. His own be say, just give me the script and leave the rest for me. Hey God. Zubby Micheal, I too love this guy. As I see this video now, I just dey laugh, everything just dey totori my body. I say no, I need to bring this particular one to the headquarters. You people need to see it and enjoy your evening with it. I will play the rest of the video. Let's enjoy and watch it together before I continue. You go laugh, Taya. Believe me.
What does it look like I am wearing? I am wearing something that shows that I am serving Christ, our personal Lord and Savior.
No, now, come on, somebody now. You were in love. I just traveled abroad. I was in jail. I went to jail for something I know nothing about. Now I've been released. I've been vindicated. I come back to meet the love of my life, and you're wearing this.
I am now married to Jesus.
Jesus,
Please.
No, listen. I am now back. I like when I'm on a Holy Ghost. You will remove this clothes. Huh? We are going back to our love. You will remove this clothes. Listen, I like when I'm on a Holy Spirit. You will remove this clothes.
I will not remove this.
I will
not remove this.
We didn't plan this now. We were in love before I traveled now. Stop this now. Is it because I traveled? I was in jail. Stop, madam. I can't stop this. I like when I'm on a Chukwu. Yeah. What nonsense? How can you become a Rev Sister, Nana? Easy. Take it easy.
This is not my calling. It's far from my calling. It's not my calling.
We need to step out. Don't carry it. Okay, don't worry. Just.
I don't see. This one.
They're not going to church like this now.
No, my calling
No problem. Let's go now. We have to. After the church again. Go to church again. Okay, I'll buy you some money. Fire! Enter this guy. I go to the Rev Sister to be like you. That's why I go to that. Enter.
These two people finish well for this particular movie where they come out. I can't wait for it to come out because I go burn my data, watch them till the very end. It's kind of hilarious movie already. Like, I love it. I never even watch them, but I don't they love them already. And I know say you say we watch them, you just they smile, they laugh. Oh, yeah, like say smile. Okay, guys, as I they make your body cooler, as I they make you laugh, I beg support your girl. We Amiibo Nation, they support each other. Please click the link on my bio, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg, support me. It's free, it's totally free. You're not paying a dime, just subscribe. Okay, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more Wenge news with the tutorial body. You know see they do, and for here for my page, no dumb moment at all. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Dısgrace TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. Do well to scroll. You will see other interesting videos on my page that will hook you up to watch. I beg, always watch my videos till the very end. When I know they post all moment videos. Now always banger I they share. Okay, now stay safe out there. Bye.